In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add rows and columns in Smartsheet. Whether you're cleaning up a project plan or building a fresh tracker, knowing exactly where to place new information keeps everything organized and easy to read. I'll walk you through adding rows and columns using the built-in right-click menu so you can place new entries exactly where you want them. First, let's add a row. Look to the far left of your sheet where you see the numbered list running down the side. Those numbers aren't just labels, they're interactive. Hover your mouse over the number for the row that sits near the spot you want to add something. Right-click directly on that row number to open the context menu. From there, choose Insert Row above if you want the new row to appear above the one you clicked, or pick Insert Row below if it makes more sense to place it under the existing row. Think about the flow of your data. Inserting above is great when you're adding a new task that should appear higher in a sequence, while inserting below is perfect for adding a follow-up item or a related entry right after the current one. Once you click, a clean, empty row appears, ready for your data. Now let's add a column. Move your cursor to the top of the sheet where the column headers live. Each header is clickable and controls the entire column beneath it. Right-click the header where you want to position the new field. In the menu that appears, select Insert Column Left. If the new column should go to the left of the current one, or Insert Column Right to place it on the other side. A setup window will pop up asking for a name and a type. Give your column a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly understand its purpose. Then choose the most appropriate type. Text-number is great for general notes or IDs. Date keeps timelines consistent. Checkbox works well for simple yes/no status. Dropdown helps enforce standard choices, and contact improves assignments and notifications. Picking the right type up front keeps your sheet cleaner and your data more reliable. When you're satisfied, click OK, and your new column will appear exactly where you chose it. And that's all there is to it. Right-click a row number to insert a new row above or below, and right-click a column header to insert a new column left or right, then name it, choose a type, and confirm. These small, precise actions make your sheet more readable and keep your workflow smooth as your project grows. Smartsheet saves your changes automatically, so you can focus on staying organized and moving your work forward.